Let me show you how to cast phone to laptop. Follow our step-by-step tutorial to get this done. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Open your browser and search for LetsView. Click on the first result just like mine on the screen. Accept and then get started. Select which operating system you are using. Or you can as well go to the download text and select your operating system. Mine is Windows. In my case, I selected Windows. This is Free Download Manager. It allows users to pause, resume, and schedule downloads, making it ideal for handling large files or unreliable internet connections. Check video below on how to set up. I'm cutting from the download section to paste on desktop. Subscribe, please. So here is the installation file. Let's proceed by installing. Follow the on-screen instructions to install LetsView application. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. This will encourage us to make videos that will fix issues like this one. Like and share this video. Also check description for related videos. Installation complete. Click on Open to launch application. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. LetsView launched. If you followed this video properly, you should be in same section. Take note of the QR code by your right. Do not close the LetsView application on your laptop and should be displayed like this. Over to your phone. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for LetsView. Next, click on the subscribe button below. Download and install it in your phone. Open the LetsView application. In your phone, tap on the scan icon to open the scan camera. Now point it directly to the QR code on your laptop or PC. Click on Start Now. If this video was helpful, don't leave without clicking on the subscribe button below this video.